Hey, I'm Dan from The Food in My Beard. We're here at Bentwater Brewing Company in Lynn, Massachusetts. Today I'm going to make a pale ale meatball and I'm going to serve it in a Vietnamese style lettuce wrap. I'm going to start by making the meatballs. I have 2 pounds of ground pork right here. Because of the amount of liquid and fat in these meatballs, I want to make sure to put some breadcrumbs in. The breadcrumbs are going to allow them to form up as meatballs, but it's also going to absorb some of the fat as it cooks and keep the fat in the meatballs instead of dripping out onto the grill. All right, that's nice and mixed. I'm going to form all these meatballs and then preheat the grill and get these things on the grill. The sauce on these meatballs has finally come together and it's like a sticky glaze that's right all over them. And I have the lettuce wraps here. This is just rice noodles on here as well as some pickled radish and carrot. These things are awesome. They have all the flavors you want in a Vietnamese dish with that little bit of IPA going on in the background. So yeah, that's these lettuce wraps. I love putting beer in food and it's been great cooking all over the place this summer. And what's awesome about this episode is we actually have people to eat it. So whenever you guys are ready. Thanks for watching Grilling At all summer. This has been an awesome project, cooking all over the place and eating some really great food. Like and subscribe and keep watching to see what's coming next.